Hello everybody, today we're just going to do some dictionaries and we're going to extend these dictionaries using union. So we've got Dick1 here. Dick1 is equal to Dave, Joe and Pete. Okay, Dave, Joe and Pete. Okay, Dick2 is equal to, let's just say, X, Y, and Z. Whoops, sorry, not like that. X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we're going to create a little function here called extend. So first off, extend. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to say dict3 is equal to dict1, dictionary1 dot union with dict2, dictionary2. So this is going to join them together, and then we're going to print the final dictionary, which is dict3 right there. Okay, so we're going to call the function by calling it as extend. Right, just save that there. And let's just run it, shall we? There we go. Pete, Joe, Y, X, Z. So we've joined the two dictionaries together. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. It will really help this channel, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.